Welcome back to another tutorial. Today you will learn how to crochet a sunflower coaster. For the materials, you will need a 4-weight acrylic yarn in 3 colors, a 5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and scissors. We will start with the color brown. You will start by making a magic circle. Chain 1 and make 12 single crochet into your magic ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull your yarn to close your circle and finish with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. For row 2, we will be making V stitches into each of our 12 stitches. Let's start with a chain of 2, and to create the V stitch, first place 1 double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1 and place another double crochet into the same stitch. And that makes a shape like a V. Let's repeat that. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So basically you're just making into every stitch 1 double crochet, chain of 1, and 1 double crochet into that same stitch. Repeat those V stitches for all your 12 stitches, and you should have 12 V's at the end. And finish with a slip stitch into the first V space. For row 3, we are going to be working 3 double crochet clusters into all our V spaces. So we'll start by making a chain of 3, and as you can see, we are going to create a 3 double crochet cluster, which is basically 3 double crochet together, where you yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over again, but only pull through 2 loops on your hook, and you'll do it 3 times until you have 4 loops on your hook, and then you pull through all 3 loops. And after doing your 3 double crochet cluster, you make a chain of 3, and then in the next V space you will place another 3 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert through the V space, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert through the V space again, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over again, insert through the space, yarn over and pull through 2 loops until you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then make a chain of 3, and you'll just repeat that cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, basically 3 double crochet together into all of your V spaces. And finish off with a slip stitch into our first stitch. Then chain 1 and fasten off your brown color. Now we'll switch to the color yellow to start working on our sunflower row. Insert your yarn into any one of your chain 3 space. We will be working our sunflowers into these spaces. We'll start off with a chain of 3, and for this row we are going to be placing 2 3 double crochet clusters into our space. So first you'll create your first 3 double crochet cluster, or like a 3 double crochet together. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook. Then you'll chain 2 and create another 3 double crochet together into the same space. And that is our sunflower petal. We are going to be creating this into all of our chain 3 spaces. So we'll chain 2 and we'll make 3 double crochet together into the next space. Chain 2 again and place 3 double crochet together into the same space. And that creates a sunflower petal, and you chain 2 again. So we are basically creating 3 double crochet together clusters twice into each of our chain 3 spaces. So continue creating for the rest of the round 3 double crochet clusters into each chain space, chain 2 and 3 double crochet cluster again into each chain space. You should have 24, a set of 24 3 double crochet clusters with 2 3 double crochet cluster into each space. Slip stitch at the end in your first cluster, chain 1 and fasten off the yellow color. Next we're going to switch to the color white to do our last row. And you want want to insert your work into any one of your chain 2 space, chain 1, and you will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet into the same space, and you will create that in each of your chain 2 space. Make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet again into the same space, and repeat for the next space. Single crochet 1, chain 2, and 1 single crochet into the same space. Single crochet into the next space, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Single crochet 1, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the same space. And you'll finish with a slip stitch in your first single crochet. Now chain 1 and fasten off your white color. The very last thing we need to do is weave in all our ends. And there it is, your finished sunflower coaster. Hope you enjoyed creating this beautiful work of art with me.